So I just played in a poker tournament and it finished about 15 minutes ago and I came third. It cost $150, but I came third, so I lost. But anyway, it was very exciting. And so this is my dinner, and we've left Turks and Caicos now a few hours ago. We're heading toward the Bahamas. And so we are heading north because the sun is setting in the west, which is on our port side. But anyway, so my dinner tonight is going to be some veg, some chicken parmesan, which is just breaded or crumb chicken. And this is mashed potato, but it has brie cheese and butter in it, which is so bad. With some like white sauce.
Looks so good.
But it looks so good. And I just decided to taste the soup. It's wild mushroom soup. I'm drinking milk like a kid. So, alright. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And here are the dessert choices this evening. You have diet pumpkin pie, limoncello chiffon cake, raspberry vanilla cream cake. I thought it said cappuccino snot. It said shot. Assorted fruit, and there's pineapple. I'm always trying to get pineapple in the morning, but they only seem to have it in the evening. Cappuccino shot. Cranberry almond cake, orange cream cake. And so let's have a look at the mains. We have the usual, this is cold soup tonight, is asparagus vichyssoise, which is a cold potato asparagus soup. And someone just dropped a plate of food and wasted it. So we have assorted bread rolls. We have lasagna bolognese.
Let's go.
And broccoli and peas and carrots, flat iron steak, there's gravy, turkey stuffing, mashed potatoes, rice pilaf, and chicken parm, and that's fish. It's snapper fish. And we have roast turkey tonight and cream of wild mushroom soup. And that is dinner for the evening that we spent in Turks and Caicos. So this is the laundry on the 7th, on deck 7, and it's near 7265 or something, I think is the room it's near. So there's 2 ironing boards, and you cannot put an iron in your stateroom, so you have to use this one, but they have an ironing board on board. Actually, sorry, there's 2 ironing boards and 2 irons, 2 washing machines, and a basin if you need to rinse things, and a paper towel holder, and 4 dryers. And if you didn't bring your detergent with you, they have those as well. And let's see how much it is. 25. So it's like $2, I think, for each. Oh, this is the washer is now $3 for a wash, and the dryer is $3 for a dryer, and I think maybe this is $1. There you go. So I've been at the casino, so I have my quarters. That's how you get the quarters. And I did bring my own detergent, which is in here. This is usually for a hand wash, but it was a good travel size, so I decided to bring that. It's Toka, and I'm just going to use it. I don't care, I'm going to use it, because everything will smell really good.
Today I had this petite filet mignon with
Oh, you got some other fans out there. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I didn't really care about that. What I want to know is, how do you feel about the cookies on the ship?
I'm gonna get this cookie in my mouth.
That's not quite what that is. He was more like sweet talking. Is that how it is? Baby, I'm gonna get this cookie. There you go. All right, audience, do we think Alberto can do it? Yeah!
So this is the animal It's a turtle. It's very cute. He's even got the tail. Very cute, cute, cute. And this is the sunrise, and we're going to be in the Bahamas today. Beautiful balmy morning. It's already very humid. We're sitting on a tender because this particular island does not have a pier. So you step, as you can see over here, you step right off the boat, side of the boat, into this boat. Very easy. There's a ramp. And so this is Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. And apparently this is a private island owned by the Carnival, whatever their parent corporation is. And you can use your sail and sign card pretty much everywhere, except for if you want to buy baskets from the locals or something. So you can use that, so you don't need cash for this island. Although it always helps to have a little bit of cash. And we're off.
See everybody up there? Look. Look at the big ship. Wow, that's...
Sailing into this little alleyway, corridor kind of place. Wow. It's like its own adventure. Of course this is all man-made, but it looks cool. Like a little canal. It doesn't smell very good. Look at that, yeah.
Oh, she's already there? Yeah, really. I'll have the Bahama Mama, please.
So there's our cruise ship. And there's a ramp. I'm going to step down.
Wheelchair?
So this is Fort San Salvador, and it's San Salvador Island. And it says, welcome to Half Moon Cay. And these kinds of places are always commercial. I mean, this is an island that Carnival designed, I guess. Or whatever other cruise line they bought it from. So, there we are. Way over there. Oh dear. Why do people do strange things? I know. Don't mount the cannon, please. Let's go into Fort San Salvador. I've never been here before. Oh, I'd love a Coke. Yes. We just need to find our cabana. How much is to rent a cabana? Well, we might rent a cabana, but I think they're going to go fast, and I can find a hat for you. I really can. You know that. Cabanas will be sold out, then you'll be upset. There's a rooster. They have, on a lot of these islands, they have roosters and chickens because they eat all the... Yeah, so there's a little bit of shopping here. But no, Strawworks, you know what? This is the one place you have to have cash, I think. I'm telling you, I thought it said with the exception of the Strawworks. Well, we'll ask. The woman is like freaking out at me, and I don't even have anything to do with anything. She's like, I asked the question, is it cash? See, at this place, this is very specific, just so you guys know, if you come here. If you want to go and pay for the Strawworks, you have to pay cash, but everywhere else you can use your sell and sign card, and it did say it somewhere in the literature. So I told one of the ladies this, and she's like, why did they tell us not to bring cash? She was yelling at me as if I worked on a cruise ship or something. Damn, people are so upset. Okay, let's see if we can maybe find a hat in here. I would have preferred to have bought one of those, but I didn't bring cash either. So we decided to rent a cabana for the day. Well, not for me because I'll be in the water, but James needs a cabana, so he's gonna get one.